You might not like hearing this, but your tags might be the reason your Etsy listings are failing. Yes, the very thing that should be helping you get seen might actually be burying you in search results. Today, let's fix that. We'll start with the biggest mistake, using tags that are inconsistent. You can see this says 50 stickers for kids and children, cute animal stickers, decals for phone, laptop, journal, number BK. Let's pretend that this listing then used tags such as mom gift, retro aesthetic, journal gift set, phone wallpaper. Okay, why would this fail? It would fail because this makes Etsy guess what your product is. And Etsy doesn't like guessing. So how would we fix it? Maybe it would be stickers for kids, cute animal stickers, sticker decal for phone, and even phone, laptop, journal, because we want that consistency of our SEO. All right, now let's take another example. This one is custom logo shirts, personalized logo shirt, custom design shirt, custom text shirt. This SEO is not fully optimized, but let's pretend it's good. The tags that would be a bad idea would be something like funny t-shirt gift, nurse t-shirt, mama shirt, pregnancy shirt, right? Even though those tags might get a lot of traffic, that would not be the right way to use tags. Instead, we would want to use tags such as custom logo shirt, personalized logo, custom design shirt, custom text shirt, business logo, brand logo t-shirt. An extra little tip, make sure that your tags are consistent with the rest of the SEO in your shop, because this will give your SEO more power and reinforce that keyword signal to Etsy's algorithm. And even if you have perfect tags, if people don't click on your listings, you have no sales. And Etsy ranks based on click-through rate. Let's take a look at this listing. Here is an image with the background removed. It's just a standard mock-up, like completely incorrect background. It looks like there's a glimpse of a wedding dress, but then this is a youth crewneck sweatshirt with the picture of the child on it. Interesting. If this is truly a children's item and a children's product, let's take a look at what would be a better way to picture this. We scroll right below and we see this. This one has 30 orders. This one has 15,000. This is custom apparel for kids, and you can see it's on model. Super cute kids. They look like sisters, really colorful, fun background, but it's still very focused on the product. And even if this was more expensive, it would get more clicks than a children's product like this. So your photo really matters. Let's take a look at another example, maybe with digital this time. So this says meal planning binder, over 500 dinner ideas, and it's basically just a background with some text on it. We have no idea what this actually is. There's no way someone is going to click on this. So instead, let's say someone was looking for a meal planning binder. Oh yeah, here we go. This would be much better, right? This is much more visual. It gives you a really clear idea. It shows you how many pages, and it gives you an idea of what the content of the digital product is. Way too many people are selling digital products without showing the content of it. They'll show the cover of it, which really has no value at all. We want to show the content and the utility of our digital product in order to really get that click-through rate. And a little extra tip here is to use Pinterest to build a mood board. Save 20 on-trend photos within your customer base and then mimic that aesthetic to your mockups. And another little bonus is to include one real photo or styled mockup for every digital listing. So yes, even if it's digital or print on demand, having one lifestyle photo. Remember, your first image should show the product in use, not just isolated. Show the purpose and the utility or the main selling feature. And this will help the buyer visualize your real value proposition and the value that this listing and this product is truly offering. Brighten your images slightly more than you think you need to. Clean lighting really can increase your clicks dramatically. All right, so your SEO and your photos are tight, but if you're using basic one-word tags like shirt or gift, you're fighting against millions of listings. And this is not a fight that you can win. Good examples of long tail keywords would be something instead of just baby or blanket as a tag, crochet baby blanket. If that's too long, just do crochet baby or baby blanket. Instead of just mug, you could do ceramic coffee mug or mug for boss or personalized mug. Product type plus recipient recipient plus occasion. For example, planner for teachers back to school gift. We have the product type, the planner, recipient for teachers, and the occasion back to school gift. A little extra tip here is to use keywords that describe what the product is and why it's being bought. So what solution it's providing. One of my listings in the very beginning was titled Boho Nursery Decor, and all my tags were very basic: baby, wall art, home decor, but I switched to boho nursery wall art, desert themed baby room, and gender neutral baby decor, and my views tripled when I did that. Now another seller was using sign, wedding, decor, and we changed that to rustic wedding and wedding welcome, and then welcome sign. Now she made 40 sales in 2 weeks when she did this. And a little super tip here, you can use Google Suggest or the Etsy search bar to complete your keyword ideas. Just type in the beginning and then write down what shows up. When one of my clients started with us, she was just copying the tags from all the top sellers. She thought that was the smart move, but it was not. Her listings were buried and she had maybe 5 sales a month. She went from completely struggling and buried to then sitting at the top of search right next to that competitor. Instead of trying to game the system, she aligned with it. A little bit of an extra tip here. Revisit and update your tags based on the listing level stats. Remember, search trends will shift and staying current will help keep those listings competitive. Now, you don't want to do this with a bestseller, but if it's not a bestseller, this is safe to do. Here's a little challenge for you. Go ahead and pick your worst performing listing, rewrite the title and tags using what you've learned, update the main photo with one that pops and competes, and then use 8 unique sets of long tail keywords in that listing. Track the results over the next 3 weeks and then comment below what changes you see. Now, here's the thing, all of this won't matter if your titles are not dialed in, because your title is your SEO headline and it's the foundation of everything. In this next video, I'll show you exactly how to write a title that gets ranked and clicked on, and it only takes a few minutes. So just tap on the video on the screen and I'll meet you over there.